Greetings of the day. A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Tanvi Chirade and I am a student of BCom second year in GS College of Commerce, Verda. And here I am a part of Persistem family to improve my English and personality development. And now I would like to share my journey of Persistent. It is very much amazing. I joined Persistent to improve my English and personality development. Before joining Persistent, I was not able to participate in any program or activities. Moreover, I lost so many opportunities just because of my poor English language. But now, I don't want to lose any chance or opportunity comes in my way, because now I can say with confidence that yes, I can speak in English with everyone and at any time just because of our Persistent. And I believe that by my hard work, dedication and practice towards English language make me reach at my best level. Sir always says one thing, that most of the students ask to him that will we speak in English in just 3 to 3.5 months? I was also among them, but now I got the answer. Yes, we can do it in just 3 to 3.5 months. If we dedicate our all efforts toward particular thing, then nothing can be impossible. Both the sirs of Persistent, that the Parvez sir and Afsar sir, are so amazing. They teach in such a way that the student can understand each and everything very easily, and they clear all doubts related to particular topic. The dream of speaking in English becomes true in just 3 to 3.5 months if we dedicate our 24 hours in it. Then this advice is given by sir. I would like to suggest you something, guys, and if you will follow this suggestion, then guys, trust me, it will benefit you a lot in your future, and your future will be bright also. Friends, I request you all, please don't miss any class, because if you will do that, then it will like you lost your entire day. Regularity and consistency matters a lot. If you will miss any class, then it will affect on your confidence level, because you will not have the clarity about that particular topic which sir taught on that day. And friends, read daily newspaper. It will help you to develop your vocabulary power, and along with do your homework regularly. You know what, guys, time is the most important thing in our life. So please don't waste it at any cost, and this is the time to communicate in English, so we must focus on it. Sometimes we miss the class just for our college test and exam and all. So please don't do this mistake, because degrees and diplomas are useless in front of skill of speaking in English. We all know, guys, we are using social media a lot, and we are wasting so much time in just scrolling that reels and on. So please don't do this mistake. Get out from that crowd and don't be the part of that crowd. Our parents do so much struggle for us. They will be very happy and satisfied by seeing our progress, and this progress at this time is of speaking in English. I hope you understood something from my word, and I think you will apply whatever I told you, guys. In the last, I would like to say one quote about achievement, which is given by a great person. A great achievement is a dreamer of great dream. So be like that dreamer and achieve your excellency level, and don't be like average rating student. Thank you so much. Have a great day and best of luck for your bright future.